Just gonna sleep with your balls. Have a little nap over there with your little toys. Yeah, pretty cute. That's pretty cute.
Opportunity to understand what was behind the petition, but I'm not gonna lie, it's hard to take. It was really tough on my family, and it also was something that was not clearly thought out in the legislation. We understand that there's a lot of changes that need to happen, and so at least those changes are gonna happen now. The city council voted to approve further cuts to the green line at the end of July. Some were calling it a stub of the root. Do you think the council was a bit naive to believe that the province would continue to fund the project if it was so short? Green Line is an interesting project. It has to start somewhere. If you look at the blue line and the red line, they all started somewhere. They all started with a good strategy downtown, and then they extended out over the years. And so council made a decision that we would do the really difficult part first. Because over the last 10 years, the value of the dollars that we had didn't keep pace with inflation or construction costs. So we were going to deliver the first phase in the most difficult area. We talked to both the federal and provincial government many, many times. And so when you ask, were we naive to believe that the province would remain our partner? We acted in good faith. We had a partner that issued us a letter that said, we agree with what you're proposing to build the difficult part first, and then we'll continue further. When you have that kind of a letter in hand, you have an agreement, you have an understanding. So to get the rug pulled out from under us on September 3rd, saying, nah, we don't like it anymore, and our funding's gone, that basically killed the Green Line as we knew it. I'm sure you learned so many lessons in 2024, but is there something that really sticks with you that you'll carry forward to 2025? I think communication is probably the biggest lesson of this year, starting from the single-use bylaw where we did not do a great job of communicating with the public, to the water feeder main break, realizing very quickly early on that you have to get information out to the public. So my commitment to making sure that we are communicating often and in all kinds of ways with the public.
Spread you out just a little bit here. And then a tracker. Going all the way across, you can get the stuff that's closest to you. Oh no, bud. So we'll be right over here, okay? There you go.